Ifskateco gon' fuck it up. Where we at, G?
We're out here in Redlands, California, about to skate up.
How did we get here?
We got here on the freeway. We here with my guy right here, Ifskateco. Hit up the Redlands skate park. Check it out, we've never been there.
Sick.
So we're about to skate it up.
Let's get it.
It's another beautiful day out here in Southern California. Look at the grass. Super green. Super green. Yeah, we're walking over to the park. It's been like 5 minutes. Still good. First, you gotta be able to party like a fucking rock star. If you can't do that, you ain't partying, right? So we just got in the park.
What's up, man? How are you, dude? Good Sunday? About to skate it. You take card?
I don't need bags, man.
No, only cash? Alright, maybe in a little bit. We'll see what's up.
Alright, man.
I got a nice ass fucking skate spot I'm about to skate. It's a hubba, a rail, and a little like slide stair.
Alright.
About to throw some shit down. So right here we got a drop off with 2 round rails. What else could you ask for? I'm about to skate it. Right here we got a long ass ledge. Perfect size. I might just skate it. Right here we got a quarter pipe with an extension. Looking really good. I might just skate it. Look at that shit, it's so nice. Here, nice little ledge. Got here a little gap, pyramid, whatever it is. I'ma skate it. That ledge, I'ma skate it. Right here we got a snake run, because we only be around slimes. On the top of the course, we got this bowl. I feel like skating the bowl, so I'm gonna skate it. When someone's in the pool, that's how you know they're in the water. They swim. Got this prime rail right here. It's like diamond blue. Of course it's gonna be butter. Right here we got a bonus feature. You know, we got a off-roading type beat. Whatever it's called. I'ma skate it because what do? I skate everything. Shit, someone got stoned and left a fucking chicken bone right here.
No, look at how big the pizza box is.
Shit, someone got hungry.
Damn. We need to get that on.
We gotta get plugged in with that pizza. Bro. So right here we got this bump to ledge. Really mellow. Really buttery. You should skate it yourself because I feel fucking buttering on it. Butter 10. Can't believe it's not butter.
I'm gonna skate it.
Fuck. Skate life. you want to get that freestyle on, hit up the manual pad. Skate life.
Huh?
The skate life is real.
My son's he's hanging in there.
He's got it.
I'm proud of him. He loves it.
He's got it.
Yeah, he got it. If he's trying to get clips, we always got it.
Yeah, if he wants a clip of that too, let us. Hey, you want to hit that? First try? First try? Let's go, I'll get it. No, I'll send you the clip too.
Yes!
Got it, dude. Hell yeah. That's getting me.
Here you go. I suggest if you really want to come skate this park, you gotta come for yourself. You can't just be watching them in videos. So many ways you can skate it, a million ways. You just gotta have that thought process. Think out everything.
Create.
Everything. Create. If you don't create, then what are you doing?
Alright.
Alright, we just got done skating Sylvan Skatepark in Redlands, California. Now we're off to a bonus feature.
Uh-oh, bonus feature, bonus feature.
What is it gonna be? Alright, so while we're walking on the way to the bonus feature, we found an extra bonus feature. 17 stairs. I'm about to firecrack it.
Run it, run it, run it.
So when we were at that 17 staircase, it was a downhill. So like when I was trying to firecrack it, the steps are kind of too wide apart, and I don't got it like that. So if you can firecrack it, send us a video. You might get 10 bucks. We're here at University of Redlands. We're about to go check out this bonus feature. Warm up, get your skating, go straight to the bonus. Street clips. I'm fucking speechless right now. I don't even know how to explain it.
It just standing up here is like, you could feel it just pushing your ass down. Like, it feels like it adds more to this, for sure. So I know you were called out by Steven. Can you do it? You think
Yeah.
what you want him to do on it?
I think you could do like a 50, yeah.
50-50?
I guess so. I haven't even checked it out, but I'm gonna have to hook it.
Bro, we are here really on the spot. What are you gonna do?
I'm about to go check out this rail and skate it. That's all I can say.
I'm not gonna ever say that again, but you can commentate on it, you can crack down on it, or you can explain why not or what.
Fucking guy really did that to me. So
Yeah, that's
we
all
had this handrail, and like
Cause you skate a lot of handrails. So
I skate handrails, but like I'm not sure I'm warmed up for this right now. But like I should be. And I don't know how to.
Might have to come back
Really,
for it.
we might just have to come back, just cause like we can't just come to somewhere and be like, oh, we can't skate it stoned. It's like we gotta come back when I'm really warmed up.
I mean, also they never said when you had to do it, so technically.
Yeah, they pretty much never said when, but they gave us the pin drop.
So you gonna accept the challenge?
So I'm gonna have to accept it, Steven. I'm gonna get it for you, cause you really did that. Showed me this rail, so I'm gonna have to skate it sooner or later, but never too late. So it's gonna be soon. Last bonus feature just didn't have a rail to warm up on before hitting that rail, so we got this manual pad. And the way you gotta hit it is you gotta go through this little hallway, come at a little angle, slant a bit, and then just hop on it, and then you see the rest.
So for me filming it, there really is no runway to ride along, so I'm gonna just walk behind him and hopefully my arm's tight enough to do this. Let's get it.
Manual game.
Dude, why are you in the sky, G?
Bonus features on bonus features. What's a man's best friend? His fucking dog. Hey, come here. I don't really like dogs, but when I do, they're bulldogs.
This fool looks exactly like this fool.
Well, if you didn't already know this, well now you know. If you don't want to hit the ledge, or if there's caps on it, because pretty much every ledge here has caps. You can pretty much use this as a manual pad. You just get creative. Anything skateable, skate it. Panda Express, fake chow mein. About to do my favorite trick, kickflip.
No one ever told us about the stair set either.
Basic tricks, but it just feels great. If you know how to kickflip, you probably know the feeling. So the school has a chapel with some stairs. I'm gonna skate it. Yes, sir. Well, if you guys didn't know, well, now you know. The next trick is big spin, backside. Submit your clips today. Another skate life with Ifskateco. This school has a lot of stuff. You gotta get really creative.
Look at shit closely.
Just look at things. And once you find things that you could skate, just have fun with it. We'll catch you guys next time.
Hey, you ready? What's good? What's good? Like, what happened? We were rolling. What's good? Once
I got off and skated off, I looked back and I was like, might as well skate what I was just sitting on. And that's what I'm gonna do.
some basketball players try to talk shit.
Yeah, basketball's talking that shit, but they ain't even balling like that. Throwing air balls.
They were throwing air balls. We were catching air and landing shit first try.
Oh yeah, definitely come back to this area to check it out with the whole squad.